beautiful babes. Actually, it's not morning. It's actually 12:30. Okay, so y'all know my schedule. It's crazy. I really did not get in the bed until about 3:30, 4 o'clock this morning because I'm always like working usually late afternoon into the wee hours of the morning. So my day is kind of crazy. I'm gonna do a mask this morning. This is the a new purifying clay mask. Of course, this is sold by Avon, and it's a white charcoal powder mask. So all I have to do is just simply, of course, clean my face and put a layer of it on, leave it on for about 5 or 10 minutes, and rinse off with some warm water and put my moisturizer on. You can actually do this mask about 2 to 3 times a week. So woke up with super puffy eyes. It looks kind of yellow, but it's a white clay mask. I use it from time to time when I don't want to mix up something. So I'm just going to apply it with my finger. Put this top on, and then I can get to work with it. So I hope everybody's doing good. I am doing pretty good. I mean, I'm just busy as always, which is a good thing. And after this, I have a product that I'm going to try out. So I'm trying to clean up my face and do this little wake me up, because this does have a kind of a tingling sensation to it. Love to kind of rub it into my skin. I love mixing up masks, but I love these little quick and easy ready masks too, like early in the morning when you just want to get going. Or again, early in the afternoon, like for me, okay? I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do about this bathroom here. It is just super orangey looking or whatever. So no matter what, I'll be looking like a Oompa Loompa, whatever they call it. Okay. So that's all. All right, y'all, that's done. Now let me just, I am going to, I'm not using a moisturizer, but I'm moisturizing. Just gonna use some oil today. Y'all know I love my oils. This is apricot oil, and it's by SBA Organics. And I love their oils. It's like a one-stop shop for me, because I can get so many of the ones that I use and a name I can trust. So that is why you see me with so many SBA products, oils, etc. Yeah, I'll just let that oil sink in. And y'all, I have a confession to make. Honestly speaking, yep, I was quarantined before the quarantine actually started. Let me tell you what, y'all know I spend most of my time at home anyway, unless I'm on the road performing or out doing a little shopping or out to eat or whatever. But for the most part, I am always quarantined at home. That's just what I do. I promise you, and I've talked about this before, how I never really get out. But today is actually, what, April the 24th? April 24th. Y'all, I have not physically been in a car outside of this house since March the 6th. Is that crazy or what? I know, it's gotta be. I know it sounds crazy. But yeah, I know that Thursday, March the 5th, we had band rehearsal, and March the 6th, I know we got out for a minute, and that was it. My birthday was that Monday, I think March the 9th, and I think that week is the week when they were like to start definitely practicing social distancing here and all of that jazz. So y'all, that's crazy, huh? I know. Well, let me go and get my day kicked off. Again, I'm getting ready to do a product, use a product that I just got. Well, it's a tool. So you'll check it out. It'll be on one of these channels, Beauty by Sweet Angel, more than likely. So, but I just wanted to share that tidbit with y'all, because that is so crazy. I know. That's me. I have not been out of the house. So Mike actually does all of the going to the grocery store anyway. I mean, so things are just pretty much like normal for us. Like this is normal, where he goes to the store, he does all the errands running around, and I'm at home doing what I do, unless, you know, me and my little buddy Maddie is gonna run out and go hang out and eat or something like that. But other than that, I'm just here. So that's always been me. So it's really nothing unusual or feeling different for me when it comes to that, other than the fact when Mike comes in, he's got his gloves on. He said he's just not into the mask thing right now. He hasn't done that. He just says it's just a weird feeling to put a mask on and go into a store, because typically, what if somebody came in with a mask on in a store, it would be like, okay, alert, call 911 or something, right? So he said he just haven't been feeling that right now. But I thank God for my husband, because he is definitely a trooper. He's always like ripping and running and doing what he needs to do to take care of his household. So kudos to him. But I have not been out of the house since March the 6th. For real. But anyway, let me get to, I'm just running my mouth about nothing. Let me get to my work today, and I will see y'all real soon. And you know I will. Keep the faith beautiful, babes, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all know what to do. Yeah. See ya.
Cross my mind, I can't think. Show me the darks and days. Take me all the way. Waking up by my side, sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we get it right. My all time. No one but you. I'm ready.